Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are currently still in Raiatea. Look how beautiful the scenery is. We are just coming back from an old anchorage and we are heading to where they have the kite surfing spot, and that's where we're gonna be anchored for a while. It is really beautiful here. Going to a waterfall. Hopefully the waterfall will be good and it will be lots of water. I don't know. So far every time we've been to a waterfall here in French Polynesia, it's just a little bit of water. So I hope today is going to be a lot of water. Hopefully that's all I hope for. That's Reg coming along.
Admiring the scenery. Okay.
Why are you barking?
You probably want to know if you wanted a guide. You know?
That's what you want to know? Yeah. What do you think about the trail so far?
Not bad. It's really a car trail.
It's a car trail?
Yeah, it's not.
But it's beautiful.
A real trail would have more.
Huh? But it's nice to have space.
Yeah.
It's nice to have space. They have it's so small that you have things rubbing up on your leg and gonna cut
nice
you.
Hiking trail, City. It's one trail.
I don't mind. Too true. So far, so good. I can already hear the waterfall. It's 3 waterfalls. So we're gonna go to the first one and then we're gonna try to see if we can go to the other 2. We heard that the other 2 are harder to get to, but we're gonna try. We'll see. We'll tell you if we get there. Just powering up the legs. Huh? Are you tired? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good for now. I don't have energy.
You don't have energy?
I still have my cold.
Yeah. But you have a little cold, so he's not feeling that good. But he's doing it. He's out here. He's doing the hike. So that's what matters. Huh? You're gonna feel better. I think just a little bit of walking is gonna be good for you. Let's walk the cold out of you.
You know, to go see a fall, you need to walk up there.
Yeah. Now we gotta go in the bushes.
Now we're going to show them the difference. This is the thing. This is hiking.
Reg like this better.
Yeah. This is what I like.
Good? Oh, you walk over there.
I said I picked this trail because it was more like walked on than the other one.
Yeah.
And usually it's the right trail.
But it's not.
But not this time.
Look, the right one is this little trail right here.
Nice to have a map.
Yep. So guys, right now we are using the maps called Maps.me. I like Maps.me because I can see a lot of different little trails when I'm in an island, and you can also use it as a GPS if you're gonna go around an island and all that good stuff. So Maps.me is really good when you're in a new country. Oh, what's that? So yeah, just check out Maps.me and to find trails and different things. But there's not always any trail, but there are always some little trail, so you can try it out. Babe, where you at? It is really nice. My glasses giving me a problem. Fix properly in my hair. I'm sweating like. Huh? I don't know.
Yeah. This is the fruit of that tree.
Oh, that's the thing that the local guy was picking up?
Yeah, and they eat that.
Yeah.
Well, they take the skin off.
And you have to boil it a lot,
Yeah,
maybe in a pressure
boil it for a long
cooker.
time. We taste it. We thought it tasted like shit. We didn't like it.
You said it tastes like poo poo?
Well, I don't know. Not poo-poo because I've never tasted that, but
But it didn't taste good.
Did not taste good.
Didn't taste good.
It's got a very different taste, and it's got but then,
How are you gonna get across? How are you gonna get across? Just all the way over there. He think he knows the way, and I have the map. Let's see if we meet up. Okay, we're gonna meet up. Well, my side don't have a lot of mud. It's really good. You should have followed the captain. You didn't. You wanted to adventure off the trail, mister? Follow the captain. Guys, I can see the waterfall, and it's a lot more water that I've seen with all the other waterfalls. Because all the other waterfalls didn't have any water. No, I'm talking about here. Here, not Grenada. I'm talking about here. So far in French Polynesia, I haven't seen a waterfall that have a lot of water. But that one, that's the first one, because there are 3 waterfalls that we're going to today. And the first one looked decent. So I'm going to bring you guys to it. Babe. There are a lot of people down there. Reg is down there. Okay, no, I'm down here. So it's a little waterfall. A small one, but it have more water than the ones that we've seen, huh? Uh-huh.
not a very big waterfall, huh, Sweetie?
No,
Pretty small.
But it's not the waterfall, that is. But the water is so nice. So guys, we saw the first waterfall. Now we're gonna go and take a look at the second one because, as I said before, there are 3 waterfalls. Whew, Reg have on his hat the cool way, look like a cool guy.
Tell him why I do it.
So you tell him, why do you do it?
So when I have it the other way, I knock my head on branches often.
Exactly.
Yes.
So it's better for him when we
I
hike
knock
to have his head
myself
like that.
cold sometimes. In the hat and you're running and you knock yourself with a big run.
Yeah, it's not fun. So when you hike, you put it that way.
Thanks, you. If you see this smile, you know it's not real.
His fake smile. Just waiting because you know that they're gonna be slow.
Be very slow to
Yeah, so it doesn't matter if we hurry up because we're just gonna be behind them. Huh? So that's like a line. You have to go up.
Show them how it's done there, sweetie. Look at that, look at that.
I don't really like to climb up ropes, but because I never trusted them. That's me. Whoa, I'm up here.
I didn't film this right. You want to do it again?
Huh?
I didn't film it right.
I'm up here.
I need to do it again.
Whoa, I'm up here. Yeah. I think it's up there. Yeah.
This would be like
Small little waterfall here, and there's a big one up there. So guys, we are at the second waterfall. It is right there, not very big, but I'm going to show you the third one, which is higher up there. I'm going to go up now. You're up. Liking it? So that it's a fun one, right? Huh?
I'm a bushman.
You're a bushman. Guys, we thought the last fall that we were showing you was the third one, but I look at my map and I realize it go up further, and this is the third one, not the last one. So we're gonna show you the third waterfall. Whew. It's worth coming. It's really beautiful. It's in the nature, and it's really nice. I really like it. Woo! They're just going. Hey! So Reg is just appreciating the waterfall. Huh?
Thank you, sweetie, for taking me out on a hike.
Reg is thanking you for the hike. Bye.
See the way you do it now? Do it like that when you come down too. Two hands on the rope. Okay, you can do whatever you want.
Okay, take a photo. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah. So we are at the third fall. We made it, as you can see. But there's a lot of bugs. I brought my bathing suit thinking that I'm gonna go in. What's that? I'm gonna go in the waterfall, but I don't know. There's so much bugs and
So many.
yeah, so many bugs. I can't count them. It's all counted. There are a lot of bugs, so I don't know if I'm gonna go in. I don't think we will go in. We're just enjoying the scenery, enjoying the hike, and we're happy that we came out and do some exercise. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. This is my first nice waterfall in French Polynesia. I haven't seen a nice waterfall yet. This is the first one, so I'm just appreciating it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go and subscribe. Bye.